How to log in to Snapchat account. So if you want to log in to Snapchat account, then first of all you have to install the Snapchat application. So to install, first you have to open up your Play Store, and after opening your Play Store you will have a search bar on the upper side. You can simply tap on the search bar and then search for Snapchat, and from here you can simply tap on install and install the Snapchat application. And after installing you can tap on open. Now if you have a saved account, then you can simply tap on login, which is on the bottom of your screen. But if you want to log into another account, then you can simply tap on switch account, and now it will take you to the login page. So now to log into your account, first you have to enter your username or your email address, or you can also use your phone number instead of your email address if you have saved your phone number. And after entering your email address or your username or your phone number, you have to simply enter your password on the next blank. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot your password. You can simply tap on that and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter your password, and after entering your password you can simply tap on save login if you want to save your login. But if you don't want to save your credentials, then simply untap it and then you can tap on login. And now you have to enter the login code which Snapchat has sent to your email address. So you have to open up your mail, and here you will have the code. So you can simply enter this code, and after entering the code, tap on login. And that's it. That's how you log into your Snapchat account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.